I've made approximately $356,000 with meme coins, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. Just look at all the coins on Dex screen at the moment. If I go on this coin, bro, this coin basically got the rug pulled. What the fuck? Let's see this one. It got the rug pulled again. This one. Another rug pull, bro. Look, it's down so much. And another one, bro. This coin just got rug pulled a minute ago. What the fuck? Yo guys, the people who are launching these coins are making so much money. We have to be on their side if we want to become rich too. That's right. Nowadays, teenagers are making thousands every single day with meme coins, and no, they are not trading them, right? They are actually creating the coins because this can make you 10 times more money, and that's exactly how I made $180,000 in 1 month just by launching your own coins, right? And that's why today I will be on gatekeeping the method, and I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your first coin and make some guaranteed money on your first launch. So I hope I don't make any gurus mad, because some people charge thousands of dollars for the information that I'm about to share with y'all into this video. The concept of launching meme coins is extremely easy. Basically, we create and launch a coin, and once the market cap gets high enough, we simply just remove the liquidity and we get away with thousands of dollars. Now, first of all, the first step is to actually create and launch your own meme coin. You do not want to use Pump.Fun because it is too saturated, and if you make your coins on this DEX, you will not get any buyers, okay? And that's why you have to make your coins on launch tokens.fun, because here you get your coins launched on the Radium Dex, which will get a much higher market cap, and there is no coding required. And I can even prove that to y'all if you do not believe me. So if I come to my photon and I go on trending, look, I have no filters. If I go on the Radium Dex, look at the market caps of million, 5 million, 3 million, 60,000, 35,000, 7 million. And if I compare that to the Pump.Fun Dex, just look at the horrible market caps, 5k, 5k, 3k, 14k, 14k, okay? Now, the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on launch tokens.fun, because you will get way more buyers and you will maximize your profits. Okay, so here, you can make your coin by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, well, you could make your coin manually here and make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make money with no marketing required, you can come to the third tab, to the copy coins feature right here, and you can duplicate any coin here. So all these meme coins have already proven to work on Pump.Fun, so it's almost guaranteed they'll perform well on Rhythm too, especially since they're about to migrate, which means that all these coins are all pumping and trending, so you are guaranteed to make some money if you duplicate them, okay? This is the secret sauce, okay? You have to be taking advantage of it. So I'm gonna duplicate the coin to prove that this shit actually works. So okay, the Ligma balls right here just caught my attention. It has a good like hook. It has a good name, my bad. And it has 160 replies. So I'm gonna create coin. Okay, first connect your wallet, I forgot. Boom, Phantom. Then do connect. And then you can click on create coin. Then you can, okay, a warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. Hello, okay, it popped up. Now click on copy token address and click on create liquidity pool. Then here it's already pre-selected. The amount token A right here is actually the liquidity pool, so click on max, and the amount token B is the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money, so you have nothing to lose since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. You can put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. Once again, you are not losing this money, okay? Just make sure you have enough in your wallet right here. Then click on create pool. Hello. Then do confirm. Then click on refresh. Okay, it popped up. You're already $4 in profit. Now click on view on photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot. Let me go on a lower time frame. Oh my god, okay, it's already pumping a lot. Okay, it's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Okay, bro, We're getting buys like fucking left and right. Now it might be a good time to remove the equity. After one more buy, I am gonna do it, bro. Fuck it. Oh my god. Okay, we just got a buy. Please, one more. Just one more buy. Okay, one more. I'm greedy. One more. Just one more. Just one more. Just one more, please. Just one more. Just one more. I beg. Oh, okay. Come back to launch tokens.fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the equity. Come on. Come on. Come on. Confirm. And boom. Oh, whoops. We just removed the equity, bro, out of the coin. Let's fucking go. That is exactly how you print money out of thin air by launching coins, bro. The win rate is basically 100%. And by the way, if I open my Phantom wallet, $400 is inside my wallet, so I profited around $300 off this one launch, bro. You can make so much money, I'm telling y'all. And if I open the chart, as you can see, it got fucking liquidated, bro. Oh my god.